Hello YouTube world, and I am back with another video with your girl BLoc'd. So keep it locked at my channel. Oh, my glasses are so dirty. But anyways, I know you guys are wondering, well, maybe you're not wondering, but as you can see, my hair is in a ponytail. I have not taken this out of the ponytail, and look at how it is right now in the ponytail. I just washed my hair. I'm not going to put that video back in here of how I wash my hair and how I dry it. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Ain't got enough money to pay me repair. That was Ariana Grande reference. But as y'all can see, I can wear my hair any type of way that I want. Even like Dijonay. I've been watching The Proud Family lately. That's why I say Dijonay. But I am going to try something this time. I'm not going to do an ordinary retwist. Like, now I feel like my retwists and my videos here on out are just going to be me trying some crazy things, okay? I'm going to try to do 2-strand twists. Honestly, I don't think it'll be hard because I used to do 2-strand twists all the time. But as I told y'all, I used to like want to lock my hair back in the day, but I never had the willpower and the courage to be a locked queen. But now I do, and I love it. So I'm going to take a bit of my past life and drop it into my present, because I feel like it will be a lot easier to do 2-strand twists with this. Obviously, like, you just go. It might take me a while because I'm retwisting it and doing 2-strand twists. So I'm gonna come back with my update for y'all when it's done and good looking. But anyways, I thank you guys for coming to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Make sure all y'all turn on y'all bell notifications so y'all can know when I post. And I'll be right back for my big reveal. Oh wait, what did I do? Big reveal. Oh, I'm back, y'all. So look at my, okay, I'm gonna just tell y'all, it took me forever to do this last night, y'all. I started at 9 o'clock. I didn't get done until like 2:45 in the morning. And I'm like, that was a dumb decision, but I needed to get it done nonetheless. So I'm glad. I kind of like the outcome. Okay, I'm gonna take it down. I didn't really like it like all down. Like, I'm so tender-headed now that I have these dreads. I feel like my tender-headedness just like enhanced by 10. Oh, they look pretty good down. They didn't before. They just looked like all down there. I guess having it in the ponytail like made it look a little bit better, like made it form better or whatever. But look, they're 2-strand twists. I'm gonna do a good 360 for y'all. I look crazy. I'm gonna do a 360. Oh, I usually do my 360 this way. I'm gonna start that way. I ain't starting nothing new. Look, okay, so I don't think, I mean, I try to do it as best as possible. Granted, I was extremely sleepy. Granted, I was extremely sleepy. That's a lot to say. Like, I tried to do the ends good. My locks are short and some of them are long. So trying to twist them together, half like one is down here and one is up here. So I had to like try to make it look like something, you know. But I feel like I did a great job, especially for my first time. I did this fresh retwist. Like I said, granted, I was extremely tired. I don't know how the back looks. I started with the back first. I think the back might look better than the front, because I mean, I didn't use clips for any of it. I used clips for the front a little bit, but I didn't use clips for the back at all. Like, I just, well, I did. I was like, I retwisted one clip, retwisted another clip, and then, okay, so in the back, these are 4 locks combined, like 2 in this strand and 2 in that strand. If y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see, it's 2 in this strand, 2 in that strand. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Look at my edges. These are real edges right there, boy. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning into my channel, and if you would like, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends, 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 with your friends. Thank you.